Welcome to 5041 Brookyard Road. This nicely updated 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath home with luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, an updated kitchen and bathrooms. It's located in the Byrneswood neighborhood in the Eau Claire area of North Columbia. It's convenient to I-20, downtown Columbia, as well as northeast Columbia. So we're right out front. The home sort of sits off on it's a side street, so you have 3 mailboxes at the street, and then you have sort of an unpaved drive that goes along the left side of the house and then continues into the front. There's some additional parking in on the side possibly as well. You have a covered front porch here as you enter, and then we step inside. Notice the luxury vinyl plank flooring that's been updated throughout. So you step into a nice open floor plan living space. So you have living room off to the left side as you came in, and then you can see over to your right more what looks like more dining space. But since it is sort of an open layout, you can kind of configure that however you need to. Some people don't actually use the proper dedicated dining space all the time. So you have the large picture windows on the front as well. You can see letting in a lot of natural light. And then on this side, you have the kitchen, which has granite countertops. You have white cabinets and black appliances. There's a refrigerator and electric stove. And then you also have a coat closet here. And that door just lets out to the side of the house. You can sort of see that where the front continues around and then just goes around the side. There is a bit of backyard space, but that is how you would access it, or just go out the front door and go around. And then down the halls where all of your bedrooms and bathrooms, of course, are. At the very beginning of the hall, we do have a laundry closet, full-size washer-dryer connections, and there's a shelf above. And then you have 4 bedrooms off the hall. Here is the first of those. So the owner or primary suite is at the back. So these are just all the secondary bedrooms. So you can see the closet there. Bedroom number 2, also on the side. And there's the closet. Then across the hall, you have your 1 full bathroom. So you can see double sinks in here, and updated cabinetry and countertops, lighting, fixtures. You do have some nice cool water feature or water fixtures there. You can see the water sort of comes out the top. The commode is tucked behind the door, an alcove, and then your tub and shower are in a separate room that you can close off. So especially with there being 4 bedrooms, that's convenient, as you can have someone using this portion of the bathroom and then someone using the shower or tub separately. We've already seen that. And then down the hall at the end, you have a linen closet. Your 3rd bedroom, which is at the back right corner. So you have 2 windows there, as you can see, and the closet there. And then last but not least, your primary bedroom. And this has a closet in the corner. And it's a small walk-in as well. I'm not sure if you can see that. There's enough floor space for you to walk in and access the left side of it. And then, of course, the half bathroom in here as well. So you have, again, the matching fixtures and updates in here as you had in the hall bathroom. So that completes our tour of this home, 5041 Brookyard Road. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.